Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Faith within the storm. Every season has a purpose within if you simply listen. No detour or failure is pointless without a step forward on your divine path. Every experience is growth or remembering our origin and depth of being. Don't fight the current. Seek optimism and peace, and you'll discover the world you never knew existed within the storm. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you, if you are able, I'd like to think of three simple things that you're grateful for that you normally never think about. I am grateful for my socks. I am very grateful for the carpet I have. I am very grateful for the tables I get to eat off of. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.